Ladies and gentlemen, the Taste Tour has departed London sadly, but the trip is far from over. If you look out here, this is Edinburgh, Scotland. This is a view from Edinburgh Castle. Actually, I'll grab the camcorder from Tibbetts because I think I can pan a little better. And she's fussing already. It's actually hard to see because it's so bright. But this is the view from the top of Edinburgh Castle. It's a wonderful day here in Scotland. There's a lot of whiskey shops here, and I do indeed plan to get some and do taste tours. We're actually going to do a walk later up to a big mountain area, and I believe we're going to do taste tours from there. So join us then. A little more view of Edinburgh here from Edinburgh Castle. That over there is Calton Hill. And off to this direction is the hill we're going to be walking up later. And another view of the big hill. I can't remember the name of the walk. I think it's called Arthur's Seat. I believe that's what it's called. It's right back there. So, many taste tours to come, probably some whiskey. Alright, apologize about the wind noise, but it is cold and windy up here. And another view off to the west, and a very beautiful one. I just wanted to do a quick panorama. Apologize about the wind noise, but this is the view from not quite Arthur's Seat, but close. That. There's Edinburgh Castle. Welcome to the Taste Tour. Now it's a new day in Scotland. We're at the top of Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh. You can see this wonderful view behind me, I'm sure. So plenty of taste tours to come. It's a little bit better of a weather day, so plenty of stuff to come. Join us for some more, and I'll definitely get some more videos of scenery, so stick around. Alright, so this is the view toward the city. Town area. There's the castle. The castle, St. Giles Cathedral. And this is toward the north part of Arthur's Seat. There's an island, I'm not sure what it is. Islands there. Apologize again about the wind noise, not much I can do about that. Alright, and one more slow pan. Wind is clearly dying down in this direction, so that's probably where we'll do taste tour. Somewhere over there, it looks like. Could be a good spot. There's no shortage of spots in this park to pick, so. Ladies and gentlemen, another day in Edinburgh. Apologize about the wind noise if there is some. I think there will be. We are at Calton Hill, on top of Nelson's Monument. There's the view towards Edinburgh Castle. St. Giles Church, and the rest of the old town here. We got plenty of taste tours to go, so stick around and join us for those. And just a quick view off in the other direction. This is the hill we hiked up yesterday. It's called Arthur's Seat. As you can see, quite high up there. And view now down towards, maybe it's called something like Fife, Street of Fife, and then the North Sea up further. Nelson's Column is down this way. Quite a bit less wind noise, actually basically none down here. Apologize for those in the videos, nothing much I can do about it, so hopefully you still enjoy them. But this is the view from Calton Hill, where we just walked up, right here. Nelson's Monument. And then I'll go real quick, Old Town. And one last short video towards Arthur's Seat. And I think something just came out of my seat, I'm not sure.
Oh my god.
And
Eric did well, partying in public places.
I'll zoom in close enough to see if you can see people up there. Oh yeah, there they are. So, hope you enjoyed these videos, and we'll be back with some taste tours later this afternoon. Will we? Won't we? Huh?
Yeah.
Good. We'll be back.